Instagram not opening, how to fix login and loading issues. If you'd like to fix if the Instagram application isn't opening, or you want to fix some login and loading issues, so if the Instagram app is not opening itself, right? First of all, try to check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, if you're using Instagram app on Android or iPhone, just long press on it and just tap the uninstall button. Once you uninstall the Instagram app completely, go to your Play Store or App Store and just make sure to reinstall it again. If that doesn't help, you can also try to restart your device, because sometimes it could be the device that is at fault and not necessarily always Instagram. What you might also want to do is, if you're not being able to log in, right, you want to start by checking your connection as well, because sometimes due to an improper connection also you might not be able to log in, and also check if your credentials are actually correct. So make sure that the username and password that you're trying to log into are basically correct in that case. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching. To subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.